I was leaving work one evening and I wasn't feeling good, so I decided that I need to hang out at a restaurant. So I decided to go down by Opal and Nova, and guess what, guys? I visited this beautiful restaurant called Sky Beach, and of course, my waiter was one of the nicest persons I've ever met. Yet, so I decided that I can't come to this place and not choose a fish. So I chose a big fish. Well, the view was just so beautiful and I bask in it and enjoy it. But guys, when I got my food, it was late. But I tell you, the food sell off. When I say sell off, I mean say the food sell off. So guys, you can visit Sky Beach. Yeah, right down there. I think it's in Hanover. You pass Opal and go down. Alright, cool.